Task number 2 says to go to your teacher folder you just created. Double click week 2 on the left-hand side. Click on New, then Google Sheet. Rename the sheet with the title Shopping List. Put the following items on it: store name, item needed, quantity. Pretty simple. All right. So you're going to go back to your lovely drive, click on your folder, week 2, new sheet. You're going to rename this up here in the title, shopping list. All right, now I forgot my list. So let's see. Store name, item needed, and quantity. So store name, item needed, and quantity. All right. So this assignment is now done.